So what's the big deal with Ningxia Red? It is a puree of the wolfberry. You guys need to look up the wolfberry. It also has blueberry and plum, aronia berry, cherry, and pomegranate. This wolfberry, you guys, is an amazing food. It has all of the essential amino acids our body needs. It is the highest whole food source of potassium. It is super high in fiber, and it rates really high on the ORAC scale. Okay, so ORAC, O-R-A-C, it is the oxygen radical absorption capacity. It's a measurement that tells us what the antioxidant capacity of a food is. Before we can talk about antioxidants, we need to talk about the bad guys, those free radicals. They damage DNA, destroy cells, and contribute to the aging process. I bet you all want to know about those free radicals. What causes them? Life, stress, exercise, toxins, being married, having kids. Enter the hero, the antioxidant. Comes in just like Pac-Man and scoops up all those free radicals. You might say, well, Cori, our bodies make our own antioxidants. And yes, you would be correct in saying that, because we do, but we just don't make enough. We can get antioxidants through our diet. We're always being told to eat a diet rich in antioxidants. But truth be told, most of us need even more than that. And that is why Ningxia Red is so amazing. It is super, super high in antioxidants. It is a powerful superfood drink.